What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another day of trading, another day, another dollar. I am Michael. Today, I should say that it is actually not another day of trading because it is a market holiday. So today is, let's see, Monday, February 19th, a few minutes before 11 p.m. here on the Pacific West Coast. I didn't do a trade review last week on Friday because it's just been a crazy busy week. So I wanted to hop on here and review my TOST trade and see what to expect for the week to come. So let's hop in. So I want to talk to you guys about the TOST trade. So TOST did me very well. So let's see here. Let me go to my activity, or rather you can actually see this page. So I put on right before the close, guys, right before the close, February 15th, that was Thursday, I threw on a 42-cent strangle, so the 24 call, 16 put. So the 16 put was all the way down here, 24 call was up here. It was in the near stated weekly cycle, so we had basically 1 day left to go. So I got a huge amount of premium, basically was just sucked out. So I put it in a working order. I basically put on a GTC the night before, and for about 3 cents. That didn't hit because there's a lot of volatility the morning of earnings. So I just wanted to get out. I didn't want to wait too long. So within 3 minutes, I basically worked my way up to a 7-cent debit. I was fine with that since I already was able to close basically a $35 profit. So had I not collected, let's say, the 42 cents, I probably would have waited to try to squeeze this for another, 3 or 4 cents. But I wanted to move on. We were getting somewhat close to the 24 strike. It wasn't completely likely, but I just wanted to get out and move on, free up some buying power. So right now we are maybe $3 or $4 shy of a $2,400 trading account. So my buying power right now is at just under $1,600 for my options buying power. So what I want to do is throw on a few trades this week. So we'll see. There are going to be a few earnings to come out, and I might throw on a couple futures trades, which would be a nice, fun alternative, something I haven't done in quite a while. So if we just want to move down the list, look, guys, FXI is just teasing me. I want to say it's being stubborn, but it's not. It's textbook case strangle. This is exactly where we want to be. We're waiting for the premium to come in. So we have 24 days to go. I literally have a working order here for 28 cents, 2 pennies below the mid price. This was the mid price as of Friday market close. So I'm just waiting for it to hit. I'm being a little greedy here, guys, but I want to stay true to the 50% profit, 50% of premium collected. So I'm going to let it sit. Let's see how tomorrow goes. GDX. So GDX, guys, I just threw this on Thursday. So not much to see here. We're still pretty centered. I did skew it a little bit to the upside because when it comes to ETFs like commodities or specifically country ETFs, I skew long, so I can just roll out in time indefinitely, at least on the put side. So there's nothing here, dude. I mean, it's smack dab in the middle. 17 delta on the put, 18 delta on the call. We're not doing anything here. So moving on to Intel. Intel, if you've been following along, has been a pain in my you-know-what. I'm getting teased by, here's my break even. Where's my break even? $44.64. So last week or the week before, we just crossed over my break even, then we dropped. Then we just crossed over my break even, and then we dropped. So I'm going to just let this thing go. We still have a good amount of time. So we have 24 days left in this cycle. So tomorrow it should be, I want to say 23 days left to go, if my math is correct. So what we'll see here is I might have to widen out either roll this iron condor, widen out the strikes, or remove the defined risk. So basically switch to undefined and sell these, the 43 put and the 50 call, and then turn it into something less clunky. The only thing is that it'll tie up, I think it was $700 or $800 in buying power, which is going to be very tough if I'm working with a $2,400 account. So we'll see how that goes. IWM, I mean, it's still in range, but you guys, it's been moving pretty crazy. Like, check this out, gap down, gap up, it's moving. So we'll see. It looks like we're drifting a little bit higher, but you never know with this thing. It could just drop, tomorrow or the next day. So we're going to sit tight, nothing to do here. Then TLT has been giving me an issue for many days. I've been rolling this thing since January 5th, guys. A month and a half at least. So tomorrow might be the day when I roll down my 99 call to the 96 put, maybe 97. Let's see. Tomorrow's a new day, so let's see what we want to do. I also might just hold this thing until we get to 21 days to go. But again, this is a defined risk position, so the risk is defined. So I can't lose an infinite amount. So what I want to do is hold it for now and see. Possibly roll it out in time. But you can see, guys, I'm getting tired of rolling. It's already been 3 rolls. So that should be it for today. Let's see if the market, what it's doing right now. So futures are up. You got the E-mini S&Ps, up $11 down. So we're down 0.22%. I don't really think the futures opening, basically the night before they open, is very indicative of what's going to happen tomorrow, but it's pretty interesting to see. We're pretty much flat. Let's see anything for the Russell. Ooh, down 75 basis points. So this will be interesting to see. And then let's see, what is it? ZB is the 30-year. Okay, we're down 24 basis points. So nothing too crazy, guys. I'm going to call it a night. I am tired. It is exactly 11 p.m. Well, that's all I got for you today. If you like this video, give me a big fat thumbs up so I know I am doing a good job. As always, any questions, comments, trade ideas, anything you're working on, any thoughts at all, drop them in the comments down below so I can get to you. And I hope you love learning with me as much as I love learning with you all. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos coming out. And I will see you guys next time. Take care.